Hello everybody, today I'm going to talk about the 6 C's, which are the 6 C skills that we should use while teaching to enhance deep learning. So we have communication, collaboration, critical thinking, creativity, citizenship, and character. So let's start with communication. Communication, it has many purposes. Like informing, instructing, persuading, motivating. That is very important to enhance deeper learning. Yes, because through communication, we could communicate by using social media, for example. So we could exchange our ideas and communicate with researchers or other people who think critically, and we could gain new information from them. So this is very important to use to have a communication skill. Collaboration, where we could turn boring lectures into fun. Yes, boring lecture could be turned into fun. Why? By creating a collaboration group work. For example, we could use games. Okay, we could classify the class into groups and ask them to play games, or drawing anything in the board that reflects their readings. So then their friend should try to analyze what they drew on the board. Okay, so this is really good to enhance learning, and also by having fun. And we could also participate and collaborate in a discussion forum, which is very important to exchange our ideas and add to each other's. So here we have critical thinking, which is a process which allows us to analyze, filter, and ask questions. And the best way to ask questions is by following the Bloom's taxonomy, where you could start by very simple, your very simple knowledge that you have, which is remembering, and then understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and finally you could create. So after that, when you answer these questions, then you could formulate them in a way that could be valuable to others and could help them to solve the problems that they might face in their daily life. This is very important. So now we enhance each one to learn and think critically. We have also creativity. Creativity is very important for the 21st century competencies, where the students must be able to create something in an innovative way. Yes, so now, for example, he will utilize his personal knowledge and that he have already acquired from his previous studies and put on them. So now we could use art. For example, I myself love to use art for create new materials from very simple materials or very recycling materials. I enjoy it so much. I also encourage everyone to think out of the box and beyond prescribed expectations. This is really worthy. You could come then with unique solution that could solve any problem that you might face. Okay, so let's go to C, the fifth C, which is the citizenship. It is important for any person to be in touch with everything around him. For example, his community, culture. Yes, because it is well known that people with multicultural background are they have many language because they have their own language and they know English as well to communicate. So here, to be a bilingual person, you should know English and French here in Canada. So people with different background, they get benefits from their previous experience, okay, and previous culture. We have also the final C is character, where we should help and love each others by contributing, caring, and being responsible as well. This will create a positive environment which will fulfill the world with peace and love, and this is really important. At the end, so now we were talking about the 6 C's. So I encourage everyone to use them while teaching any subject, and don't forget to integrate them with technology. So now, if you follow the TPCK theoretical framework, you will have good content, or the subject that you use. You should be you should be familiar with it, and you should have strong pedagogy strategies. For example, you should have a certain methodology to teach, and you should know your student, how to communicate with them, their requirements, and you could be aware with everyone's need. Moreover, we could use certain technology. We could select suitable technologies that could influence our learning and encourage our student to learn by having fun, and that by following the 6 C's. So now I believe that if you have these skills, I think that you'll be a very good teacher. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye.